Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix USB connector connected disconnected issue of Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps. Tap on it. Tap here. Turn on Show System Apps. Tap OK. Now search for USB settings. Open it. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap Storage. Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. Now move back from here. Open Developer Options. Scroll down and find out Default USB Configuration. Tap on it. Select Charging Phone Only. After that, go back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open Settings. Tap on Notifications. Tap App Notifications. Tap on 3 dots, then select Show System Apps. Tap Android System. Tap here. Tap and hold on USB connection. Tap on Lock Screen. Select Do Not Show Notifications. That's it. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then you need to change your charging port or USB cable. Sometimes this issue is coming from there. That's it. Thanks for watching.